Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shraddha. I created this video to help my friends, colleagues and dentists all over the world. As we are sailing on the same boat, suffering due to COVID-19, we need to be more encouraged, strong and create some protocol to run our practice to protect ourselves and to protect our patient. In this video, I tried to cover all important points. Please see them. Thank you.
Measures to be taken before patient entry. Clinic should be well sanitized with use of air purifier with negative ion generator. Use of PPE kits with NIOSH approval that includes body aprons, face shield, eye protectors and 95 masks, plastic shoe covers, head case, gloves. All staff members should follow above measures. Here we can see the air purifier and PPE kit. Sanitization with hypochlorous acid is more recommended. Rotation of staff is more preferable. Thermal scanners are important. Patient with 37 degrees Celsius or less, we can start the treatment. Patient with more than that, we have to refer to them to COVID-19 treatment centers. Now I'll discuss about the screening, which includes the questionnaires. We have to write the symptoms such as shortness of breath, fever, cough, body pain. Have patient in contact with a person suffering from COVID-19. Have patient traveled in last 14 days to areas hit by COVID-19. Have patient is over 60 years old. We can collect the data by online or call. This type of persons we can stick to our clinic. Measures taken at the time of entry of the patient. Plastic shoe cover should be provided. Make sure the patient should wear the mouth mask. Social distancing is more important. Thermal scanning is important, and field questionnaire should be collected from the patient. Measures during the treatment. Use of PPE kits. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare divides all the dental procedures in emergency and urgent procedures. Clinic in red zone restricted to emergency procedures, which includes uncontrolled bleeding, pain. Christmas Ludwig angina. Clinic in orange and green zone restricted to urgent procedures, includes acute pulpitis, abscess. Other treatment can postpone to 3 weeks. Now the treatment should be free of aerosol production. Manual scanning, use of rubber dam is more recommended. Use of anti-retraction handpiece is more recommended because it's having wall, so no aerosol production. Mouthwash containing 0.2% iodine and 0.5 to 1% hydrogen peroxide is more recommended. Operation theater should be fumigated with formalin. Kerosol and reusable mask is more preferable. 3M companies provided. Now the measures taken after the treatment is patient is instructed to wash the mouth with mouthwash and hand wash with sanitizer. Dental chair respective instruments should be sanitized with 1% sodium chloride. Instruments should be autoclaved. During the closure, fumigation is most important part. That can be completed in half an hour. After that, fan should be switched on for 5 to 10 minutes for ventilation. Thank you so much.
Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.